to buy swaps on mortgage bonds, credit default swap that will pay off if the underlying bond fails.
You want to bet against the housing market?
Yes.
Why? Those bonds only fail if millions of Americans don't pay their mortgages. That's never happened in history. If you'll excuse me, Dr. Berry, it seems like a foolish investment.
Based on prevailing sentiment of the market, banks, and popular culture, yes, it's a foolish investment, but everyone's wrong.
That's a good one.
This is Wall Street, Dr. Berry. If you offer us free money, we are going to take it.
My one concern is that when the bonds fail, I want to be certain of payment in case of solvency issues with your bank.
I'm sorry, are you for real? You want to bet against the housing market, and you're worried we won't pay you.
Yes, that's correct.
Dr. Berry, we could work out a pay-as-we-go structure that would pay out if the bonds fail, but it would also apply to your payments if the value of the mortgage bond goes up. You'd have to pay us monthly premiums.
Is that acceptable, Dr. Berry?
Yes, yes. I have prospectuses on 6 mortgage-backed securities all insured.
Majority of the mortgages. Which lender?
Dr. Berry, these should be fine.
Yeah, we're prepared to sell you $5 million in credit default swaps on these mortgage bonds.
Can we make it 100 million?
Absolutely, we can make it 100 million.
We'll be in touch. Send some paperwork over.
You know I got it. If you wanna come get it, stand
I
next.
like these cups. Could I take one
Have
for
it,
my son?
Yes.
Thank you.
I have 2.
Shake your money maker like somebody about to pay you. Don't worry about them haters, keep your nose up in the air.
You know I got it. If you wanna come get it, stand next to this money like, shake, shake, shake your money maker. Like you was shaking it for some paper. Took your mama.
Is there any way to do 200 million?
Might as well shake what your mama gave you.
I mean, we can, but
You
are
looking
you
good
sure?
in them jeans. I bet you look even
Absolutely.
better with me in between. I
Absolutely,
keep my
we can do
mind on my money, money on my mind. But you's a hell of a distraction when you shake your behind. I got J.O. up on my right side, pouring some cups. My whole hood is to my left and they ain't giving a So feel free to get loose and get carried away.
We do different projects. We do gardening. We do.
The bonds, I'd like to...
It's not bad seeing yourself up there on the big screen. It's very cool.
I ordered the 24-ounce T-bone, which was choice. I went for volume rather than prime. I went for subprime, and it just was. Wait.
And how everywhere you turn, I be making you if you can.
Have like lettuce, tomato, no onion.
You know I got it. If you wanna come get it, stand next to this money like, hey, hey.